If you're watching this, chances are you're preparing for IVF or looking to optimize your fertility for the best possible outcome. I know this process can feel overwhelming. There's so many ways you can support your body to be in the best condition to receive IVF treatment. So where do you start? In today's video, which is part 1 of my series on how to prepare for IVF, I'm going to let you in on the 4 cornerstones of nutrition when it comes to your fertility. We're going to highlight how your nutrition can play a pivotal role in creating the best environment for your fertility and supporting your overall reproductive health for IVF. I'm Dr. Klara Brown, a women's health and fertility expert and doctor of acupuncture and Chinese medicine. I've been helping women make babies for over 15 years. If you're having difficulty getting pregnant and you're looking for a compassionate departure from the often cold clinical world of infertility, I'm here to support you. You deserve holistic care, and providing that is my life's work. Okay, let's get into it. Nutrition. I can't say it enough. Your nutrition plays such an important role in optimizing fertility and preparing your body for IVF. And in Eastern medicine, when it comes to making babies, we focus on nourishing the body with foods that support circulation, blood health, and overall hormonal balance. The first cornerstone, and probably the simplest way you can support your fertility, is to focus on warm foods. My patients literally hear me say this all the time. Warmth is key for fertility. When you're trying to get pregnant, incorporating warm foods into your diet supports better nutrient absorption, better circulation, and better reproductive health. This includes soups, stews, broths, and teas. Also, spices like ginger, cinnamon, and turmeric are fantastic because they naturally heat the body and promote circulation to the pelvic area. Cold and excessive raw foods, however, will unfortunately slow your digestion and slow your circulation because they tend to constrict blood flow, thus disrupting your body's natural flow of energy to the reproductive tract, just when you need it most. So try avoiding cold salads, smoothies, and icy drinks to help keep your digestive fire and your circulation strong, ensuring that your body is in the best state for conception. Remember, warm for your womb. Second are blood-nourishing foods. Healthy blood is vital for fertility because it supports key processes like menstruation, ovulation, and the development of a thick, healthy uterine lining. Healthy blood is essential for both egg quality and follicle development, as it nourishes the ovaries and supports the maturation of eggs. So focus on iron-rich foods such as grass-fed red meat, dark leafy greens, beets, and legumes, as these are excellent for nourishing the blood. Other great options are eggs, bone broth, pomegranates, and berries. Now, I want to make an important note. If you're vegetarian or vegan, you may not be getting sufficient bioavailable iron and other nutrients needed for blood nourishment. So for you, it's crucial that you supplement with high-quality, plant-based sources of iron and vitamins like B12 and folate to help prevent deficiencies that can impact your fertility. This is especially important if you have light or very short periods, as the lack of menstrual blood flow can indicate that there's a shortage in your blood reserves. Number 3 on our list is a powerhouse food group, dark leafy greens. We're talking about kale, spinach, collard greens, and arugula. These greens are loaded with folate, magnesium, and antioxidants that help balance your hormones, improve circulation, and promote a healthy uterine lining. Folate, especially methylfolate, is important because it helps support healthy cell growth and egg quality, which is essential when you're preparing for pregnancy or IVF. Plus, these greens are great for supporting your liver, which plays a huge role in balancing your hormones. So if you're getting ready for IVF, dark leafy greens can also help create the most perfect nutrient-packed environment for embryo implantation. To get the most out of these greens, it's best to cook them instead of eating them raw. Remember, as we discussed, cold raw foods can slow digestion and disrupt energy flow, especially to your pelvis. So to best support your fertility, saute, steam, and even roast your greens to help your body absorb the nutrients more efficiently, also while keeping them nourishing and just easy to digest. And last but not least on our list are healthy fats. These are so important for hormone production and balancing your reproductive system. So if you're not already, start incorporating more healthy fats such as those from avocados, nuts, seeds, fish, and olive oil. These fats support the synthesis of vital hormones like estrogen and progesterone, which are crucial for a healthy menstrual cycle, for egg quality, and for embryo development. For women undergoing IVF, healthy fats create a nourishing environment for fertility treatments, supporting both egg maturation and the hormone balance needed for optimal IVF outcomes. So as you can see, these 4 fertility-enhancing food cornerstones have wide-reaching benefits to your egg quality, to embryo implantation, and to hormone health, especially when it comes to IVF. Now, ideally, you'll want to start integrating these foods in the weeks and months prior to your IVF cycle. But don't worry if you're further along. Benefits can start to build really fast, so just dive in. I know the journey to IVF can feel like an emotional and physical roller coaster, but I hope this video has given you some concrete, actionable steps to take as you prepare for this next chapter. Oh, and one last thought, and I mentioned this in the lifestyle part of the series. Try to keep in mind that pesticides used in conventional farming often contain chemicals that can affect hormone balance. So choosing organic produce when possible can help limit your exposure to these potentially harmful pesticides and fertilizers. But if organic options are inaccessible, don't worry. You can focus on the Clean 15 and the Dirty Dozen. The Environmental Working Group provides this helpful guide to prioritize which foods to buy organic and which are safe to buy conventionally. The Dirty Dozen lists produce with the highest pesticide levels, such as strawberries, spinach, and apples, so try to buy these organic. On the other hand, the Clean 15 lists has produce that tend to have lower pesticide residues, such as avocados, sweet corn, and pineapple. So keeping these groups in mind can help you make healthier and more affordable choices. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out the rest of this 5-part series on how to prepare for IVF. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos to empower you on your fertility journey. And of course, if you're seeking more personalized guidance, wherever you are, I'd be happy to support you. We can create a tailored plan together virtually that aligns with your unique needs. Until then, take care and trust in your body's ability to heal and grow.